So one of the questions I get asked a lot of times as your everyday car enthusiast is, why don't I do more collaborations with other automotive creators? So this is something I want to talk about here. As you guys may or may not know, I've been in the YouTube space for about 6 years, been making a lot of different videos on this channel. I have another channel as well. It's totally unrelated to cars. I've worked for independent businesses as far as like managing YouTube accounts and managing all the different types of content on different platforms. There's been a lot of content I've put out over the years, well outside of this channel, probably a lot of stuff that you guys have never even heard of or you might not even know about. I've always enjoyed putting together videos, sharing my experiences as a car enthusiast, whether it be for myself, my own cars, or other businesses like shop cars, different things like that. So a lot of times people ask me like, hey man, like, how come you don't collaborate with X, Y, or Z? Or how come we don't see, this or that featured on the channel? And when are you gonna review more cars? Or when's the next collab? So I wanna take the time to kind of address some of those things. So first and foremost, I'm always open to different collaborations with different people. I think that's always a great way to just share and obviously grow exposure, different channels, different vehicles, getting the name out there and just kind of cross-pollination. And I'm always open to that. I'm not one to look down or up or try to exclude or limit any type of opportunities. But one of the biggest reasons I would say I find that a lot of times collaboration just never really happens is I always find that it's just like people are always very much to themselves. A lot of times people are selfish, man. They want what they want, and you can try to make suggestions, make proposals. Hey, let's go ahead and film this, right? Let's get something on the calendar. I know we talked about X, Y, and Z. I'll reach out to people. Some people will reach out to me. And it's always like, yeah, I can do it, but, I've got something coming up, or, unexpectedly this or that happened. And it's just like things fall through the cracks. And it's very difficult to get commitment from people. I don't think this is limited just to the automotive content space. I'm sure this happens in a lot of different other categories. But yeah, I'm one of those kind of people, man. Like if I say I want to do something, like I genuinely mean that I want to do it. I know a lot of times we'll have conversations with people and it's like, yeah, what's up, man? What you up to, bro? Good to see you, dog. This, that, and the other. Yeah, we ought to do this one of these days. Yeah, man, for sure. Let's make it happen. If I say that, I mean it 100%. You know what I'm saying? I'm not the kind of person, I'm not going to just ramble on just to hear myself talk. Like if I have a genuine interest in doing something, like, dude, hey, what's a good time for you, man? What's your schedule looking like? What you got coming up? What's the location? Do you have a good spot picked out? These are different types of things that, need to happen if you're trying to actually execute and follow through with some type of collab. So not directed at any specific individual or group or party or anything like that. If you guys are interested in, reaching out, if you wanted to put something together, hey man, let me know. I'm always interested in different opportunities, but just want to kind of take some time to address that. Just there's a lot of flakiness, I feel like, in the car community, and I've always consistently made efforts to try to get collaborations going. So, hey, if this is something that you want to see in the future, let me know. Definitely reach out to me. You guys know how to get in contact. I'll be sure to leave all applicable information in the comments below. But yeah, just something I wanted to kind of get off my mind there. And, sometimes it's just one of those things you have to look at it as if you want something done, you just have to do it yourself. And as great as it would be to have, more cross-pollination, more features, more reviews, more collaborations, more people, that'd be awesome. I hope that's something that eventually can happen. But, years and years and years of, yeah, man, I'll get back to you, or, got a lot going on, or just, kind of flaky, like lack of commitment. These are all things that obviously can cause collaborations to fall through. So I just want to share that with you guys. Be sure to stay tuned for more content. We got a lot of things going on, big plans for the RS3 coming up very soon. So be sure to stick around for that. And once again, lastly, I'll say, just so there's no confusion or misunderstanding, I'm always open to collaborations. I'm always looking to interact with you guys, get more features on the channel. If I could do some more reviews, if you guys want to see the car on other places, yeah, let me know, man. Let me know. I'm always considering those different opportunities and hope we can continue to move forward. So that's all for this one, guys. Subscribe for more, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a great day.